Well, I'm out here playing around with software and just wondering if anybody's out there. If you are, give me a holler. I'm just learning how to use this program, and as some of you have seen this come on the air before, and I get a little distracted trying to do some stuff with the screen. But that said, it's really kind of fun what I'm doing here, experimenting with this software and sharing different things that I'm doing with on Facebook, being able to stream. And that said, one of the things that I enjoy about this is that if there's anybody out there and they want to, you know, get a little experiences in working with something like this, give me a holler. Have plenty to share. Tell me what you're interested in. Well, that said, you can see that there's some capping here. I'm not sure if it came up on the screen, but yeah, so what I'm doing right now is just experimenting with the software and trying to develop some basic skills on doing stuff like this, being able to switch around and promote, talk, discuss about different crafts that I do and see if anybody has any interest. I've been playing around here with a couple of setups where I could switch back and forth like this, and sometimes uh, it works pretty good where I can share something that I've done, or in this case I put together some photos of different people, Colette picture with art showcase. uh, I take painting classes there, and I sell some jewelry down there. A lot of fun being able to play with some of this stuff and put it out there for people to look at and maybe even want to pick up the hobby. Another thing that I have set up is I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but I've been experimenting with stuff like this, see if it comes up. And what I'm talking about is the different arts and crafts that I do. I've been putting them on this program and just switching around and testing. And then back to the regular arts and crafts page. So if you're out there looking, drop me a line. I'm experimenting with this software, and hopefully something good comes out of it. I'm going to go ahead and say thanks and put this on the air and see how this sounds. And everybody that says thank you. So we'll see you and listen to some of this music. Have a great day. And